Introduction to the Indian electronics industry and drones. The Indian electronics industry is experiencing great growth and potential. Projected to reach $520 billion by 2025, this industry is supporting the Government of India's goal of generating $1 trillion from the digital economy. With initiatives promoting domestic manufacturing, production and assembly activities in consumer electronics and mobile phones have also significantly increased. The Indian electronics industry is also witnessing a surge of startups and companies that are developing and manufacturing drones and their components. The Indian drone market was valued at $830 million in FY 2020 and is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 14.5% between 2021 to 1926. The Indian government is also supporting the drone industry with liberal policies, incentives, and initiatives. The drone industry is creating opportunities for other segments such as drone maintenance, repair, overhaul, platform services, training, and education. Let us now understand what are drones. Originally designed for military use, drones now play a vital role in commercial, logistics, agriculture, medical, and recreational sectors. Drones are unmanned aircrafts, meaning that they are operated remotely by humans or autonomously by onboard computers. There are two main types of drones: fixed-wing drones and rotary drones. Fixed-wing drones resemble aeroplanes, providing long flight endurance for mapping, surveillance, and inspections. Rotary drones, including single-rotor and multi-rotor, offer vertical takeoff and maneuverability and are commonly used in photography, videography, and inspections. Drones are equipped with sensors like cameras, radars, GPS, and infrared imaging, enabling monitoring, targeting, and data collection. According to the Drone Rules 2021 by the Ministry of Civil Aviation, drones are classified based on their weight, including payload. Nano drone less than or equal to 250 grams. Micro drone greater than 250 grams and less than or equal to 2 kilograms. Small drone greater than 2 kilograms and less than or equal to 25 kilograms. Medium drone greater than 25 kilograms and less than or equal to 150 kilograms. Large drone greater than 150 kilograms. Drones find applications across various industries in India, including agriculture, precision farming, crop spraying, pest detection, land and crop health monitoring, and more. Media and entertainment, aerial cinematography, documentary production, and photography. Energy and utilities, remediation, site monitoring, surveying, and mapping. Urban development, industrial inspections, town planning, 3D modeling, and digital mapping. Transport, railway line inspection, road traffic surveillance, and highway monitoring. Forest and wildlife, illegal poaching prevention, habitat monitoring, and wildlife census. Healthcare, medical supplies delivery, sample transportation, and disease vector habitat assessment. Security, monitoring public places and events. Mining, thermal imaging, equipment inspection and monitoring. Disaster management, monitoring and evacuation support during natural disasters. Oil and gas, pipeline inspection and surveillance. Telecom, tower inspection, assessing damaged equipment and mapping. Insurance, damage assessment, property evaluation and fraud detection. Tourism, aerial videos, monitoring of tourist spots, and wildlife preservation. To operate a drone in India, the drone operator must have a certificate from the Quality Council of India, QCI. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA, issues safety regulations and advisories for drone operations. Every drone, except nano drones, must have a unique identification number, UIN. This can be obtained by purchasing a certified drone and filling out the D2 form on the Digital Sky platform. To begin with, only those drones that are certified by QCI should be purchased. The manufacturer needs to provide the buyer with a set of unique serial numbers for the drone and its control station module. The remote pilot license, valid for 10 years, is granted within 15 to 20 days after completing the training, fulfilling eligibility criteria such as age, that one must be between 18 to 65 years of age, education, that is one must be a minimum class 10th pass or equivalent, and training completion. With such a vast world of opportunities in drone application, the need for drone technical specialists is greater than ever. Service technical specialists will be crucial in ensuring the maintenance and optimization of drone operations, contributing to the continued growth and success of the Indian drone industry. By embarking on this journey, you will shape the future of various industries and contribute to the digital transformation of India. Let's become a driving force in the dynamic world of drones.